Hello students, after completion of 3 exercises from the chapter number 13 शन हुक, आज हम करेंगे next 3 exercises. Exercise number 106, exercise number 107 and exercise number 108. Let's start with exercise number 106 on the speed of 80 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Gentlemen, because of our decision to erect a building of our own, we shall not be in a position to renew our lease when it expires next year. Permit us to take this occasion to thank you for the many courtesies you have always extended to us. Preparations for the erection of our new offices and sales rooms are going ahead nicely, but there is just a chance that our new building may not be ready before the expiration of our lease. We wish to make provision for any unexpected delays, and if you do not object, we should like to have your permission to remain in this building, if necessary, for not more than 3 months at the present rental. We hope you will have no objection to this arrangement. Very truly yours. Next is exercise number 107 on the speed of 80 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Gentlemen, we think we are in a position to assist you to tell in what direction your promotion work may best be extended. As you are no doubt aware, our organization has given many years of attention to problems of distribution of every description, and the information in our possession is very reliable. We believe that you would find a discussion of the problem with our Mr. Jones of value to you. He will be glad to receive an invitation from you to call. Very truly yours. Next is exercise number 108 on the speed of 80 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Dear Sir, with the small amount of information in our possession, we are unable to give you a definite decision on your application for a loan. You make no mention at all of any provision for expansion at your present factory, nor do you tell us if you have any intention of taking over the operation of more machines. However, we believe that the proposition is certainly worth discussion, although action must, of course, wait till you supply us with additional information about your plans. We suggest that you call at our office sometime during the next few days to permit us to go over every detail of the situation with you. Yours truly. सो दीज आर द नेक्स्ट 3 एक्सरसाइजेज फ्रॉम द चैप्टर नंबर 13 शानहोक। आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। शेयर, ड्रॉप अ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल।